Hey guys, today we're going to go ahead and do another guitar unboxing. These are videos I really don't care for too much, but a lot of people like them, so we're going to go ahead and do it. What we have here today is an acoustic guitar made by Tyma, spelled T-Y-M-A, which is I guess a made in China product, but from everything I've seen on the internet, it looks like a pretty nice one. So it has all the features that I like. Has a solid Sitka spruce top, African mahogany back and sides, which I guess that's a fancy term for just mahogany. so we'll get to that. We'll as we start unboxing this thing, and I'll show you the guitar. I'm not going to do a demonstration of it, but we will unbox it. You will see what comes out of the box. Hopefully it's not just loaded with toilet paper and that there's actually a guitar inside. So let's go ahead and do that real quick, and we'll be right back. All right, so here we go. Yeah, one thing, okay, so now this guitar was purchased at Fermata here in the Philippines. Two different sellers that I've seen with this guitar, this particular guitar, being Fermata and Guitar Pusher. And it says right on the box, no video, no refund, no replacement. So this is the first I've ever seen a seller making a video pretty much mandatory. I guess they've probably been hosed over a few too many times, and have finally said, hey guys, when you open your guitar, show us a video. Otherwise, if you have any complaints, whatever, you know, you'll have the video to back it up, support your argument. So well, Fermata, you guys definitely wrap this thing up pretty good.
Because it's raining.
Jeez Louise, look at all this. Well, it is an acoustic guitar. I can appreciate them doing here what they did. Electric guitars, yeah, you want to pack them well, but these acoustics, I want to pack them extra well. All right. Next, let's get on the end here. See if we can pull it right out the top. Should be inside of a gig bag or something. Slider right out. Here she comes. And when I pull it out, we'll do some close-ups, and then we'll go over the specs. I think I remember most of it without having to look at a screen. All right, here we go, guys. The Tyma TG-10E. E stands for electric. Comes with a gig bag, as you can see. Looks like a fairly decent one. I'm sure it's padded inside to house this little beauty. Wrapped in plastic. Looks good so far. Has kind of that Martin-ish headstock. Let's get her all out here. There we go. She's all covered in gloss. All right. The open back tuners, chrome. You can see up there. Bone nut. Bone nut, rosewood fretboard. Rosewood bridge. Bone saddle. Solid Sitka spruce top. And the African mahogany back and sides. The neck is made of, I think they called it peach core mahogany, something to that effect. But this ran about, I got a few pesos off of it because I bought it on sale, but it lists for $23,499. I want to say $499 or $449, but I got it just under 23,000 pesos, and at today's exchange rate, USD exchange rate, that's, you can do the math, but it's pretty good. The neck feels nice. Feels like a nice modern C type neck, from what I can tell. I'm sure it's way out of tune. So yeah, that's it. That's the Tyma. Oh God, I said it already. TG-10E acoustic guitar cutaway. I think I pretty much went over all the specs. Looks beautiful, looks gorgeous. My first impression is, yeah, it's a very nice looking guitar. And it feels nice. I like the neck. It really feels great. I can kind of tell right away that if you're one with smaller hands, this neck might appeal to you. I can feel that already. So it's not really chunky and beefy like you'll see on some others. Feels pretty good. Feels kind of like the other Tyma that I have. So anyways, there you have it. Here's a beauty. It's really shiny.
Shiny.
Oh yeah.
I can even see the reflection on the Yes. Your new baby.
Yeah, I suppose if I look up here, I'll know exactly what I'm dealing. Yep, TG-10. TG-10E for electric. So, Tyma TG-10. There you have it, folks. I'm going to get this bad boy tuned up, and we'll be in business here shortly. So, until then, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.